Past simple, the finished action. Минало време, свършено действие. Let's start with the past simple. Think of it as a closed box. The action started and finished at a specific time in the past. The time is either stated or clearly understood. Keywords often include yesterday, last week, in 2010, 3 years ago, when I was a child. Да започнем с past simple. Мислете за него като за затворена кутия. Действието е започнало и свършило в определено време в миналото. Това време е или ясно заявено, или се подразбира. Основни ключови думи за това време са вчера, миналата седмица, 2010, преди 3 години, когато бях дете и така нататък. Examples. I visited Paris last year. Посетих Париж миналата година. The visit is over. Last year is a specific time. Want to master all the English tenses? Download my free Ultimate English Tenses cheat sheet from the link in the description. It breaks down every tense with clear examples and timelines. Like this video, subscribe to Bloomer Academy for more clear English explanations, and tell me in the comments what's the most confusing English tense for you.